what Speaker should do is to limit what it intends to do within Parliament. Because there are many issues in Parliament that ought to be dealt with. There are many issues. There are perceptions of corruption. That's why Parliament established the office in the first place to fight corruption. So there are issues of corruption. There are issues of.
And the Speaker, you should start from home.
While respecting the limits of his authority, he should concentrate on ensuring that the Parliament itself shows by its activities, by its conduct, what they can do to enable the fight against corruption.
Pardon, I'm going back and forth with you because I want to exhaust some thoughts and then I'll come into the studio. My final bit to you briefly. Would it be okay if not Parliament, not the legislature, but the executive took this up and sort of fused it into the national awards, or the executive had another set of awards?
I would not have a problem with the executive fusing that up with the national awards scheme.
Why?
But then modalities. Because the nation and executive authority of state, Article 58, is vested in the president.
Okay.
If the president wants to champion the values of our country, to manifest it in an award scheme, as has been done in the national award scheme, and set up a standard, clear standard, which can be assessed, which can be, which clearly can enable us to hold those who do the award accountable based on the criteria for selection, I will have no problem.
Okay.
Because that clearly will be putting what we value, the values of society, in the national context, and ensuring that people who exhibit those values are recognized and awarded.